The hunger to do more and improve and be curious is almost the sole reason why we're successful. I'm Dan Colkin.
I'm Nathan Goldman.
And we are DKNG Studios. We met in high school and we started a band together. We wanted to start marketing our band in some way, so we thought about our album artwork and posters, and we'd collaborate on that kind of stuff. And that's when we realized we can work together beyond music.
I had a friend that worked at the box office at the Troubadour. We knew that they were looking for a poster artist. So we literally just looked at the upcoming Troubadour calendar and picked out 3 dates and made 3 posters, just totally on spec. They really liked them and said, let's go ahead and start working together. We did close to 100 different designs over the course of 2 or so years, and then started hearing from all these bands that wanted to work with us directly. So that was definitely the gateway into us doing the kind of work that we do together now.
I feel like the path of curiosity, learning something new, and accomplishing that is very cyclical.
It's a lot more exciting to try something for the first time than to just fall back on the security of something we've done 100 times.
The mural work that we did for Almanac recently was a huge step into a different direction, and quite literally the biggest piece of art that we've actually created to date. And also a style that, we were still learning at the time.
I love figuring out new techniques and ways we can learn new things for our career. So I think curiosity has kind of been what has driven us to take on new clients, try new types of projects in different mediums, and just find what the next step in our career might be.